In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own URL shortener or link shortener website so that you can hide your website link or to shorten any link at all. Are you ready? If you are ready, let's get into it. My name is Cpanel of SaaS Media Studio, a media and a digital agency. On this channel, we create content relating to affiliate marketing, email marketing, business marketing, any online tricks and tech, okay, website development and other stuff. So just take around, subscribe for future updates. All right, I know you are already loving this video. Just like this video, leave your comment at the comment section, maybe at the end of this video. Now let's continue. So now let me give you the overview of this lesson. Now we are going to do this using Cpanel. All right, so I'm going to open the file manager, then I'm going to upload my script, then I'm going to create a database, connect that database to the script, then we install the script. Now when we install the script, then we are going to add our domain to the script so that it will give us access to shorten our URL. You understand? So now that is it. That's all you are going to do. Then we say goodbye, and we are going to test the site as well. So that's all we are going to do. Then we say goodbye. So now let's proceed. Now we are going to find our file manager. So scroll down, make sure you log into your Cpanel. Then you have to search for file manager, or just scroll down to see files and click on file manager. So now click on the public underscore HTML. So I have a lot of folders inside this public underscore HTML right now. Now if I want to install this URL shortener or link shortener or the website or the script directly on my domain, so I'll just have to paste it over here. You understand? But I want to create a new folder, okay, a folder for this website so that it will not affect other website I have over here. All right, but if you want to access the website or the URL shortener or link shortener directly on your domain, just upload just follow everything I'm going to show you directly in this section. You understand? Don't create any folder. All right, so I'm just going to create a folder and I'm going to just name it link, or I'm going to make it shortener, okay, and click on create new folder. So I'm going to open this shortener folder, then I'm going to upload my link over here, my script over here, my URL link shortener script over here. So I'm just going to click on upload over here, then I'm going to click on select. This is my script. All right, so make sure there's any script that you upload is in a zip format. All right, so I have made a complete video on how to upload any PHP script, all right, from A to Z. I took time to explain everything, how to convert up to a zip file, everything that you need in that video. So I will leave the link top here and also at the description down below and also at the first comment. All right, so check it out. All right, so just click on your script and click on open. So you have to wait for your script to be uploaded. Okay, so as you can see, 25%. All right, so when this turns into green, that means it has finished the upload. All right, so as you can see, it has turned green, that means it has finished uploading. So as you can see, the script is big. You understand? 121 megabyte. All right, so now go back to public underscore shortener and just click on that and go back. All right, so this is it. I'm going to just select that and click on extract. Then make sure it's underscore shortener over here. So this is the folder. Make sure it's inside the folder. But if you want to access the website directly on your domain, you just have to delete this shortener and leave it at the public HTML. Click on extract files. Okay, so click on close. So now let's refresh this, reload this page. So as you can see, so now you can just delete the zip file that we uploaded. Just delete it. Okay, confirm. That's all. So we have deleted that file. Okay, so now let's go and access our domain, our site, and see how it's going to do like. All right, paste then the shortener, add the shortener, because we are accessing, we have uploaded our script in the shortener folder. So add the shortener and press enter. So all right, so this is the installation section. All right, so now let me go back. Now since this has worked fine, now let's go and create our database and connect it to our website. So now let's go back to database. Go back to cPanel. You have to locate MySQL databases under the database section. Just click on MySQL databases. Alright, so as you can see, create new database. So just give the name to your database. I'm going to leave it Shortener. So I love to use the same name so that since I have a lot of databases, I'll know that this is a particular database for this particular website. Alright, so click create database. So now done, go back, click on go back, scroll down and create a new user for this database. You understand? So I'm going to give a name to the user as Shortener as well. Then I'm going to generate a password. Click on password generator. All right, then you have to copy your password somewhere. So this is the password. Then you have to select I have copied this password in safe place and click on use password. So now click on create user. Now it is done. Click on go back. Now we have created our database, we have created our user. Okay, we are now going to connect that user account to the database so that that user account can access the database that we created. Scroll down to the last section. Okay, then you are going to see add user to database. Okay, go to the user field, click on it and select your user that you created. This is the Shortener. You have to search for the database as well. So I'm just going to click on this and the database is Shortener as well. So we can see the user is Shortener, database Shortener. It's very simple to find those things. So that's why I love to use the same name for the user and the same name for the database. Now click on add. Alright, so make sure you select or you just check on all privileges and click on make changes. Now as you can see, you saved Shortener privileges on the database Bosco Shortener. Alright, so now this are the details. Just have to copy these details and add it to your details over here. Alright, so this is it. So this is the username, your database username and your database as well over here. So now we are done. You can click go back or you can just click on tools over here to go back to your main tools. Now we have two ways of connecting your database to your site that you uploaded. We have the manual way and we have the automatic way. All right, so now go to your file manager. We are going to do the manual way and the later one we also talk about the automatic way. All right, now the file that you uploaded in your file manager, all right, in that file you are going to find config.php. most of the time you see config.php over here. You just have to click on it. But if you don't see config.php, look at this. You can see we have the config folder over here. Just double click on it. Now we have a lot of configurations over files over here. So now search for database. All right, so this is database. Just right click on it and click on edit and click on edit as well. So this is it. So when you scroll down, you can see that we have a lot of databases over here. You have MySQL, you have the PGSQL, you have the SQL SRV and other stuff. All right, so in this case we want to talk about MySQL. All right, so that's where you created our database. So you are going to pin our details over there. So we have the user, just copy this. Then you have to this is the username. All right, paste it over there. Then you go back to the details as well and go back to the database, copy the database. Then you can see the database forge. You have to delete the forge, then paste the database over here. So this is the password section. Go here, copy your password. Then you have to paste your password over here as well. So that is it. So you have to leave the host in this just like that. All right, then so most of the time the host you see local host. So all right, so if you see this way, all right, just leave it like that. So if you leave it out that way and it doesn't work, then you come and change it to local host. All right, so that is it. So now at the database URL, you have to copy your website URL and paste it over there. So right, so let me go back here and click. Make sure you copy the shortener in addition, because that is your domain. Sorry, so you have to just paste it over here. Okay, that is the section. Then click on save changes. All right, now it's done. Now let's go back to the file manager. All right, so back. So now this script does not have a database file. All right, so let's check the database folder. So there's nothing like that. So they have database file. So that means during the installation, it is going to create a database for us. All right, so that is it. So now go back to this section. Now click on continue. All right. So now, as you can see, PHP version is all correct. Now, if you find PHP version is not working fine, come back to the cPanel, come to PHP version. Then you can change the PHP version to the recommended or required version that they want. All right. So the PHP version I'm using is 8.1, which is a higher version. All right. So as you can see, 8.1. So now, when I click on this, you can see we have a lot of PHP versions over here. You have 7.1, maybe yours might be 7.2, so make sure you put it to 8.1, 8.0, 8.4. all works fine for this particular script. All right, so everything is okay. Click on continue. So now click on continue. So now, as you can see, the database host is localhost. You understand? So that is it. So now let's go and enter our database name over here. So this is the name of the database. This is it. They are the same, so you can copy any of them. So database, okay. Now the name is also what? Database, the same thing. Okay, so just paste it over here, and the password, this is the password, and you have to paste it over here. Now click continue. All right, so the admin username, so I'm going to make it admin. I'm going to use Shapitex, support@shapitex.com. The password 123, password 123. All right, so these are the details for the admin account. All right, so that I can access my website as an administrator using this administrator details. You understand? So that is it. After you are done, click on continue. So the username is admin and the password is 123. Click continue. You can use anything at all. I'm going to save this. You can use any details at all for the admin username and the admin password. It's your own choice. All right, so now click on install. So all right, as you can see, installation has been successfully completed. All right, so now I'm going to open this in new tab. Open my website in new tab, and this is the website. All right, so this is the URL shortener. All right, so this is it, my domain /shortener. All right, so when I visit my domain.com, it is not going to work because I uploaded this script in the shortener folder, so I have to add the shortener to it for it to work. All right, so now let's say I want to shorten. Let's say I want to shorten this URL, so I have to, or just I want to hide this URL. I just have to copy this URL. All right, and let's go back to the site. Just paste it over here and click on shorten. So as you can see, the domain of this site did not appear here. It's showing localhost. That means this is not going to work. So when I open, just click on that and open, it is not going to work. It's showing error, right? No problem. You are going to solve this. All right, so now we need to connect our domain to this website. You understand? So that it will shorten to our domain. You understand? We are going to do that in the admin section. So just right click on the admin and open it. So the admin email, so the password, the admin email is this, and the password is 123. Click on save. Continue. I'm going to save this. So let me click on this and click on admin area. All right, so that is it. So now let me click on settings. Let me click on links. All right, so this is it. So let me click on domains. All right, so now default domain is not selected, so just click on this and select your default domain. all right, and click on update. So now we are done. Let's refresh this. Sorry, let me go back to the site. Let me log out over here, then go back to the site. All right, so let me paste the link over here once again and click on shorten. So as you can see, it has shortened to my domain. All right, so ballscore.com/shortener. So when you want to create a URL shortener for a business purpose, try to use a domain which is very short, and make sure that your domain is not blacklisted, or your cPanel is not blacklisted. cPanel rather, it's not blacklisted, or else this link will be considered as a spammy or malware or malicious link. You understand? So you have to copy this. All right, I have copied this. Now I'm going to close this, open a new tab, and paste the shorten URL over here. So now click enter. So you check the link, you see it has changed to this. So we have been able to shorten our URL. So that's basically how to create a URL shortener. All right, a URL shortener. I'm logged out. Let me log in as well. So you can do a lot of stuff over here. Click here, admin area. All right, so I click on the general section, so I can change the logo. Just click on it and you just change the logo to any logo that you have. I don't have any small image over there. Let's see if I can use this. I don't know if it's going to work. Okay, I think it's going to work. All right, so that's the favor icon, this logo, small logo that you can see over here. So when I refresh, okay, to take a little time. So that is it. So that it will take a little time. All right, so the light logo, I can just click on that and still use the same image or something. Like I can use anything. This. All right, so as you can see, the logo has changed. As for the favor icon, it will take time to reflect there. So as you can see, it has changed. All right, so the dark logo, I can just click on this as well, change it to anything. Let's say this. I don't know whether it's gonna work since the image is too large. Yes, it worked. All right, so that is it. So you can mobile lights logo, you can choose for mobile section, and if someone is accessing your website through mobile phone, the person will see that logo. All right, so the site thing, you can change it to tests or anything that you want. All right, so that's the site name. I can add the site description, click on save, and that is it. All right, so let me visit this. Okay, because so as you can see, the logo has changed over here. So now that is it. So I can go back, check about the theme, the color, talk about the color. I come back the light side, I can talk about the color. I can change the color to something like this, and apply. You can change a lot of stuff over here. The primary color, I can change it to this and apply. You can change all these colors over here, save it over there, and it will work properly. So as you can see, the colors are changing. All right, so let me go back. You can go to the SEO section and enter. Okay, you can change this so that when people are searching on Google, they can see your site name. So if it is test okay, URL, so when someone searches for URL shorteners, your site will appear there as test, and it's a URL shortener. You can just be changing this. You change this, be linked to your name, your website, your website name, or your company name, or anything. You can just change all these things over here. So if you want me to properly edit this website to a complete website, to complete business website, if not you are not using this basically to hide your link, but you want to use it for business, just leave it at the comment section. I'm going to create a special video editing this particular site so that it will look attractive when people visit. All right, so that is it. So you can add plans. All right, plans, basic plans, standard plans, pro plans, so that people can pay. So that is it. So at the settings section, you can add, I think your payment is not here, rather let's check the subscriptions, enable. Okay, the payment, PayPal gateway, you can add PayPal gateway, you can add Stripe as well. So anything you can just add. That is it. You can also accept manual payment just like this. Okay, just enter the details over here. You will give them invoices and other stuff. You can add capture, you can add analytics, Google Analytics, you can add rate capture. As I told you, if you want me to create to edit this script fully, so that let me refresh this so it will change. Yes, so if you want me to edit this completely for you so that you use it on business purpose, just leave it at the comment section. So that's basically how to create your own link shortener or URL shortener. Just let me click and log out from this section. All right, so let me go back to this. So that you can see that this has also changed, shorten and other stuff. All right, so that's basically, people can also create an account. Click on register over here and they can create an account. All right, so let's say I'm a new person, I want to create an account. So I'm going to create an account and the password is going to be 12345 12345. Then I'm going to create an account. All right, so I have created an account and I'm not an administrator. All right, so when I click here, I'll not see administrator. I just have to click on dashboard and I come to my dashboard. So let's say I'm someone new. All right, and I have come to your website. I have this website, I've created an account. Can just shorten my link over here. Just come to links, click on shorten links, just paste my link over here. The link I want to shorten, let's see if I want to shorten video, this category, just copy this, come paste my link over here. Sorry, oh shit, I'm coming, let me copy it again, then come back and paste my link over here, then click on shorten. So now at the settings, you can just get the iframe, the frame of the link, or maybe you want it direct. You can create a group, you can restrict it with password. So if someone wants to access that link, the person have to enter password. It's all there, but it will come with a plan. You understand? You can add a plan to it. So that is it. So you can add a plan and that will be this side. Okay, so click on create and automatically your link will be created. All right, so as you can see, so that is it. So you can, as you can see, this is the shorten side. So when I click on it, that is it. And this is the shorten aspect of the link. You understand? This is the shorten aspect of it. You can just copy it, or you can just edit it. You can copy the shorten link and open it. So that's basically how to, host or how to create a URL shortener website. Please like this video, subscribe. You can buy me a coffee. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Buy me a coffee to encourage me to buy more tools to create a lot of video. You can see I have been creating videos and sometimes I break for a while because of one or two equipment lacking and other stuff. So just help me by sending me a coffee and I really appreciate that. You're going to meet next time. Goodbye.